Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we are presenting our reproduction of research paper titled PRETTY Traffic Engineering with Predictive Failures. This work is proposed by researchers of leading organizations including Tencent, MIT and Meta. Our team consists of myself, Abu Bakr Idris as a group leader, along with Elise Leah, Sara Javed and Mariam Batul. In this presentation, we will walk you through the problem, methodology, implementation and results of this system. To begin with the outline and the motivation behind this work, I would like to hand over the presentation to Elize Elias.
Thank you, Abu Bakr. Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Alize Ilyas and I'll be presenting the problem statement, motivation, and routing approach of our project. Before going into the details, I'll briefly explain the outline of our presentation. First, we will discuss the problem statement and motivation behind pre-TE. Then we will explain routing techniques and how traditional routing system works. After that, we will discuss network architecture and graph modeling. Next, we will cover the dataset and modeling training process. Finally, we will present the system integration, results, and conclusion. Now, let's start with the main problem. Modern wide area networks face a critical challenge. While link failures are relatively rare, they are highly disruptive, often affecting multiple data flows and causing significant data loss. Traditional traffic engineering systems assume that link failures are unpredictable and react only after the failure occurs. However, in real world networks, failure are often preceded by degradation signals which indicate increasing risk. The key idea of PTE is to present failures before they occur using machine learning. By estimating failure probabilities in advance, the system can proactively prepare alternative routes instead of reacting after a failure once. Now, to understand the solution, we first need to understand routing. For routing, we use Dijkstra algorithm, which is a standard shortest path algorithm. It works by selecting the path with the minimum cost between a source and a destination node. The cost can represent distance, delay, or network load. While this method is efficient under normal conditions, it has a limitation. It doesn't consider future link failures. As a result, it may choose paths that are optimal now but may become risky later. Now, let's compare traditional routing with AI based routing. In traditional routing systems, decisions are made reactively. This means the system responds only after a failure occurs, leading to delay and packet loss. Before failure, all links are treated equally, even if some are likely to fail. In contrast, AI based routing in pre TE is proactive. It predicts failure probabilities in advance and avoid high risk links. This allows the systems to reroute traffic before failure happens, improving reliability and reducing data loss. Now that we have discussed the problem and routing concepts, I would like to hand over the presentation back to Abu Bakr, who will explain the network fundamentals and architecture.
Thank you, Elize. A network can be modeled as graph consisting of nodes and edges. Nodes represent routers and edges represent the link between them. Traffic engineering is the process of efficiently routing data through the network while optimizing performance and reliability. In our implementation, we use the graph-based model where routing decision depends on both current load and predicted failure risk. This slide shows the network architectures used in our system. We modeled the network as directed graph where each edges has properties such as load and failure probability. These structures allow us to dynamically update the network and simulate realistic conditions. With the network architecture covered, I would like to invite Sara to explain the dataset and machine learning model used in our implementation.
Thank you, Abu Bakr. So, Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sara Javed and I am a member of this project team. In this presentation, I will explain the dataset used in our project, the machine learning model training process, and the results we achieved. So, let's begin with the dataset. We explored the dataset provided in the paper, which include two main network topologies, the before topology and the IBM topology. So the B4 topology representing Google network and the IBM topology representing another large-scale network. Both datasets have similar structure but differ in size. To reduce computational cost, we selected the B4 topology, which contained fewer nodes. This dataset provides the necessary features for training our failure prediction model. Then we train a machine learning model to predict link failure. The input features include load, risk score, high load flag. So the output is a binary variable indicating whether a link will fail. This allows the system to estimate failure probability dynamically and make informed routing decisions. Then our model achieved an accuracy of approximately 95%. This demonstrates that the system can reliably predict link failure. We also evaluate performance using a confusion metric, which shows strong classification results. This result of accuracy is sufficient to significantly improve routing decision. So, having discussed the model and its performance, I would now like to hand over the presentation to Mariam, who will explain the complete system integration and final results.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sayyida Mariam Batul and my contribution to this project was system integration. After the network modeling, dataset preparation and machine learning training phases were completed by my teammates, my responsibility was to combine all components into a complete working system. Now I will explain how all the components were combined into a complete system. After developing the individual component, the next step was to integrate them into a single system. In this phase, I connected the network simulation, routing algorithm, and machine learning models so they could work together. First, I simulate the network and update link log dynamically. Then the machine learning model predict failure risk for each link. Next, routing decisions are adjusted based on this predicted risk. Finally, the system continuously compares normal routing and predicted routing over multiple time steps. After integrating all components, we observed a clear improvement in performance. The routing cost is reduced because the system avoids high-risk link. This improvement occurs because predictive routing takes action before failure happens rather than reacting afterward. Now I will briefly explain the live demonstration of our project. In this demo, we visualize how the network behaves dynamically. As link condition changes, the model predicts failure and adjusts routing path in real time. You can observe how traffic avoids risky link and select safer path. This demonstrates the effectiveness of our predictive traffic engineering. To conclude, Pretty introduced a proactive approach to traffic engineering. Instead of waiting for failure to occur, the system predicts them in advance and take preventive routing action. By combining machine learning with network routing, Pretty improved reliability, reduced delay, lower packet loss, and enhanced network performance. In the future, the work can be extended by additional network features, improving prediction model, and testing the system in a larger real-world environment.
At last, on the behalf of entire team, thank you all for your time and attention. We hope this presentation provides a clear understanding of how predictive traffic engineering can improve network reliability through machine learning. We sincerely appreciate your presence and interest. We are now happy to answer any questions you may have in comment section. Thank you.